Hello, everybody. This is Ryan Bolton again, coming for another box break. We got 3 boxes of hockey, and still have the 2 boxes of 1990 Upper Deck. We got 2005 Pacific, we got 2002 Adrenaline, and we got 2003 Vanguard. And we're gonna open one of these 3 boxes right now of hockey, and then we'll open the other 2 later. And I'm still waiting on the Upper Deck and maybe do a in a future date. But right now, let's get to it. Let's put these off to the side, and let's get to some of the hockey. Let's see. We'll do the older one first, and then we'll do these ones next time. So this is what we got. Get jerseys, autographs, rookies. It's a hobby box. There's the stats. There's odds. The Kovalchuk autograph rookie card, 1 in 721 packs. That's the one we're looking for. Is the big one in this product. So like I said, it's been a while since I still opened hockey, but we're gonna do some getting back into buying hockey. Still doing baseball and still doing football, but gonna get back into the hockey and get some more of my cards. Especially get back some Red Wing stuff. I used to have so many Red Wing good stuff and good cards where I just needed money and I had to sell them. Sell stuff like some Gretzky autos and Lemieux auto I had, and a lot of good Upper Decks full sets. But and some Red Wing stuff I had to get rid of. I guess a promo for private stock. Here we go. Let's see how many packs are here. 24 counts. So it's 24 for packs. This is what the packs look like. There's 5 cards per pack, and then there's the back. 3 Pacific points, huh? Guess they had a thing going back then. Let's see. I never opened this product, so let's see how it looks. Oh, these look like they're gonna be bricks in the packs. So we got a power play. Looks like that's probably an insert. And then this is the base. Not bad looking cards. Teemu Solani. Adam Denmarsh. Okay, that's what the fronts look like, and the backs. Yeah, I never opened up this product, so we'll see how it goes. I opened up a box of Vanguard before, I think that year too. Next card, I guess it looks like you get a power play, or at least one of these inserts per pack. There you go, Dominik Hasek. I do have an autographed hockey stick of him. Oh, there we go, Mario Lemieux. I said I pulled his autograph card, out of a box of Donruss a long time ago. I forget what year it was, but it was when they had the insert set of them, and then you have an autograph, just like the Upper Deck did in baseball. And I bought the box off a bid board for 50 cents. And I opened it up, and in one of the packs had the Lemieux autograph in it. A box for 50 cents I won off the bid board. That was probably really great. Okay. So I did have an autograph Lemieux and Gretzky card at one point. The other one, the Gretzky guy pulled out of a Black Diamond. He was in a Rangers outfit. It would have been better if he was in the Kings. At least the Kings is the hometown team, even though I'm not a big Kings fan. Okay, no, nothing in that one. So it looks like we get these power plays, 1 per pack. So let's check out the odds on the back. See, this is power play. There's 36 cards. There's 1 per pack. See, main set rookies, 25 cards. Serial number, there are 2 for every 25 packs. The autograph Kovacek is 1 in 721. Then we got hobby variations, 25 cards, serial number. Hobby only, they're 1 in 25. Prime dated, 225 cards, serial numbered. Hobby only, 1 in 25. Authentic game worn jerseys, there's 50 cards, 2 per 25. But there's only 24 packs in here. It says 25. And then, of course, you got the power play. World beaters. There's 20 cards, 3 per 25. Playmaker, let's see any bigger number stuff. Blade runners, 10 cards, serial number, hobby only, 1 in 481. Alright. So at least we're looking at getting some good stuff in this. Of course, there's your power play. So hopefully maybe we might get lucky and get that Kovacek auto. I don't know if he's still his cards look good or whatnot. But we'll find. We'll see. Yeah, I got these boxes online. Oh, there's a rookie. Got these boxes online from somebody. Rookie and 178 out of 984. That's a weird number. I'm not even going to try to pronounce some of these guys' names. Nicholas Hangman. If I get that wrong, I'm sorry. Put them off to the side. Pavel Bure, I used to collect his cards like crazy. Him and Saku Koivu. Those two I used to, I'll put him in a penny sleeve. So we can save the corners. But Saku Koivu and Paul Bure, I used to collect them like all, besides Red Wing cards, but those two guys, every single card I can find, I was picking up. Even if it was just like a subset of the base set, I was trying to pick up their cards. Make their own. Okay. Market Straka. Oh, here's one of those game dated ones. It's numbered 50 out of 62. Oh, it's got a ding on the corner. Look at that. We got 50 out of 62. To put him off to the side. And it's blue compared to everybody else. So we'll put him in a penny sleeve for right now. I have to buy more supplies. I only got one card left. So let's do next pack. Ooh, look at this card. It's a Red Wing too. Brett Hall, Playmakers. Got another insert here. These numbered? No, these aren't numbered. So come over there with the other inserts. Vincent LeCavalier, Joe Thornton. Alright. Let's go on to the next pack. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, give me feedback, let me know what you think. Let me know what you like. Like I said, I'm not going to try to say Nicholas Lindstrom. Say everybody's names. But It's nice. I just want to open up some products. So I like opening up packs. I like to see what we can get. See if we get anything good. Oh, what's this? Let's put them over here. Rookie something. Rookie report. Okay. Here we go. Okay. There's Dominik Hasek. Let's see. I remember seeing that one in there. A rookie card is 20 cards, 2 for 25 packs. And the Playmakers is 10 cards, 1 in 49 packs. Okay, so that's just a little bit better odds. These things kind of brick up, it looks like. Okay, nothing exciting in that. Like Medano. We're still good. Hopefully get a jersey card. Hopefully get an autograph too. Nice. Of course, I'm gonna go through all these later and pick out all the Red Wings cards for my PC. And of course, any other players that I do like the Beret and Vic Quafu. Hopefully, get a big rookie. I don't know who the big rookie of this year is besides Kovacic. That's Beret's brother, Joe Nieuwendyk. Alrighty. Looks like halfway down from the box. Okay, Mike Richter. You got an insert? Yeah, got an insert here. Which one is this? Oh, the World Beaters. Alexei Kovalov. There you go. It's a nice looking card. I like that one. And the odds for those ones is there's 20 cards. Those are 3 for 25 packs. So hopefully we get 2 more. I like how they say 25 when there's only 24 in a box. And oh, here's the relic. Got a relic here. Ooh, it's a Mario Lemieux. Look at that. There you go. There we go. Mario Lemieux. Relic. Game used, probably. They only did game used. A little paper loss. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, game worn jersey. There we go. That's a nice one. That is a nice little patch right there. There we go. Put him there for right now. Put him in a penny sleeve. Now he's a little thicker card, I think. Does Lee fit in the card guard here, or should I have to get another one? Oh, he does fit. There we go. Look there. Put him right there. Mario Lemieux. There we go. That is a nice one. That is a nice one. At least it's a name instead of getting somebody that Oh, we got another one. Here we go. Another. It's a Saku Quafu who we were just talking about. Look at that. Try not to use too much. And let's see. Nobody else, but you got 2 jerseys back to back. Look at that. 2 guys. That's nice. Guy, I was just telling you who I'd like to collect. Put him in a penny sleeve for right now because I don't have any more card guards with me right now. So I'll move this over to there. I'll just move these over so you can see the 2 relics. And hopefully now we can maybe get the Kovalchuk auto. Yeah, I said 2 for 25 packs, but we got the 2 jerseys. Can we get more? More, you say? You want more? Yes, I want more. Go another insert. All right. There's this one. Rob Blake. So we've only got 1 rookie so far. And we got 1 numbered card to go with the rookie. And we got 2 jerseys so far. Another one of these world beaters. Looks like Paul Kariya. There you go, that's a nice one. Paul Kariya. Yager. Joe Sakic. Brian Savage. I still got a lot of packs in there. Yeah, go for the next one. Ooh, nice looking card. On the rookie reports, Eric Cole. On the back. Nice one. Alright, now down to the next pack. So far this first box has been a pretty decent box with the relics, game used cards. Brett Hall, Patrick Waugh. There we go. So here I'll just finish taking out the packs. It's getting down to the nitty gritty. Looks like we got 4 packs left. That way I can scoot these over so I don't bump into the cards again. We got 4 packs down, hopefully for an auto. I keep hitting the wire. Okay, on there, power play. Hope the other products don't break up like this. Still only 1 rookie, huh? I'm supposed to win 2 in 25 packs. So hopefully we get 1 more. Patrick Waugh, power play. Here's Paul Correa's base. And these are nice looking cards. They just brick up really bad. Well, I mean, not bad, but I mean, I've seen some brick so bad. But still. Oh, here comes a game dated. I see. Game dated 34 out of 62. I don't know if you guys can see that. And there's the back. It says December 19th. Yeah, December 19th, 2001. Well, December 19th is my sister's birthday. Jean Segura. So we'll put him in a card penny sleeve. I like that they're low numbers back then. They didn't have them all numbered to like $4.99 or $9.99. They're nice low numbered cards. Back when actually low numbered cards actually were really good to get. This is the last pack already. So hopefully you get a rookie in this one. No rookie. Maybe I missed a rookie or something in there. I'll go back and look, see if there was a rookie I might have missed. Oops, I'm dropping cards. But there we go, that was the box. Let me know what you think of the box. But we got two nice relics. Mario Lemieux, which I think is a nice one. And then Saku Koivu, who I like. I don't know if anybody else liked him, but like I said, I used to collect him and Pavel Bure. You know, I don't even know if I still even have their rookie cards anymore. Because like I said, I was getting rid of a lot of cards, and I figured I'd go to hockey first. I was trying to at least get rid of some of those before I started getting rid of other things. And then when I really needed money, that's when I started getting rid of some of my really good Packer stuff, because I had so many Packer stuff, and I wanted to limit some of my stuff. Kept some really good ones and let some other ones go. Figure maybe I can get them again later when things calm down and the prices might not be as high. But at least for Aaron Rodgers, that's not the case. But I still kept some of them. Been slowly getting some Aaron Rodgers rookie cards again. But I kept his contenders auto and his SP helmet gold auto. Those are the two I kept out of all his stuff. I wish I would have kept the refractor, Topps chrome refractor. That one looks a lot now. Alright, doesn't look like we got a second rookie card, so it just looks like we just got these this got game dated 34 out of 62. This blue one 50 out of 62. And then this rookie. Alright, let me know what you think. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Let me know what you guys think. Again, we got the Mario Lemieux and Saku Koivu. Alright, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.